Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with a GE dishwasher flashing error code 815 on your 2025 model, you're in the right place. This error typically signals a problem with the water inlet or drainage system, which can be frustrating but is often fixable with some simple troubleshooting. Let's dive in and get your dishwasher back up and running in no time. First off, what does error code 815 mean? In GE dishwashers from 2025, this code usually indicates an issue with the water supply or a potential blockage in the system. It could be something as simple as a kinked hose or a more serious sensor malfunction. The good news is, you can start by checking a few things at home before calling in a professional. Step 1. Ensure your dishwasher is getting water. Check the water supply line connected to your unit. Make sure it's not twisted, kinked, or turned off. If everything looks good there, move on to inspecting the inlet valve. Sometimes, mineral buildup or debris can block it, so try cleaning it with a soft brush and warm water. Next, examine the drain and filter. Error code 815 often points to clogs, so remove the filter at the bottom of your dishwasher and clean out any food particles or gunk. While you're at it, check the drain hose for any obstructions. If you find something, clear it out and run a test cycle. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be time to reset your dishwasher. Unplug the unit for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and see if the error clears. If it persists, there could be a faulty water level sensor or pump, which might require a professional technician. Remember, safety first. Always unplug your appliance before working on it. By following these steps, you could save yourself a service call and get your dishes sparkling clean again. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.